Vyema sana. Tunakuona ni yangu ila Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Bwana Yesu asifiwe tena. Chiniche nguruku usuru. Ase family yu mwana mito Richard Tongi mwana wa Mwabonsi omongina Esther. Yatura ila bageri gakora ateba pole. Aende pole sana so gusiri omongina omino. Amino mugako omino sorry. Osiri miaka 95. It is a very unfortunate thing. Osiri omugaka wakekero mwabere nere miaka yosi, you still feel a lot of pain. Lakini ndare kula ile bageri yote ye family na congratulations. Mwaendi lyo mugaka na masikania manene mono. Mwaendi lyo mugaka nchiragete ngia, mwabekire domo ngia kabisa. Etuaje to bikaranza zembete. Igenda bono mwasikiro mugaka se miaka abekire aberire se koenyo mugaka 95. And obeyire nainu, it is a great honor. Ndare ko batayi biamono asa masikania yi mwakorere mugaka. Ane mago tayi mwana Mito Richard na egente ke njena acha ga okoba yago to start with. Karena swete parliament etwa ga karanzamo. Aende naye wanso eti committee kwa leke chairman yane ekoro defense and foreign relations. Naye wanso eti ororo ukanangirikando ukambeko. Baadaye rede kamuraka agasire misikuru boirango wakaira America naye kuangirita America litangani. Gaake sabo kamuse kamuraka kumari maniko yuko kangira mu America kashikuliyo ya basoko. So I've come here to appreciate for what you did. And another time ukambeka in another legal team tokagenda ali kutoka Switzerland. Now when my grandmother passed on in Kuarege Mungu wantomera kibesa cyoko amiyo mongina maukoro. Baadaye my grandfather nera agakwa matano side bado naendo gantomera kibesa cyoko ngakira pole Kuarege Mungu. So today I had to make sure that asimanyije kwa pole because ase obuyabu wako nane maunde abantu bamitoyo mwanya bantu nde bwensi igakorosia matanga ayekarmo mwachire gaso bunge mono kero muhaka maremu nigarosia matanga ayekarmo ahasomia bana bia akababike network ngiya twachire n'ubwanchaniyo bonene okobo mugaka aroseti amatanga aye kero ineresa abantu storage injira yaro na ari mwandi mwaka na maskadi gana ari karasai patebena tatari kubuke na ko mwende bu yana ari ko kubono iga na ko mwende biye kega diga kwete kido muto mokemono ana ende tu injira ke diga na mago bono ko tinari great na ari kana achira matanga na ko tebanga ko iku appreciate ya bataba bangire amatanga aba ibulu biya kega rancha ibulu bana baye ndiri buya kega ga kieria otake bali ko bonge na ande ba kwete umutinyo yomo na na ari ko bono musti iki biya kasawa Yoro na wakati nguru na roja kwa enia omugaka no mongina. So I want to congratulate you, my brother Richard, and for the guidance you are doing for us, even in Parliament. Brother Akwanile Alpha, abana siasa, maite mtu tulikuwa tebunga o mo kwa na siasa linde matanga, mo kwa na siasa sekretariga, mo kwa siasa. Lakini maite na role administration no erega Digo batende de administration. Bago kuwa likono, bago kuwa na security. Pasta kago tenaga kago kuwa likono, hago kuwa na nene bidia ora andie chini. Mchekingo kuwa likono kyote ndio kuwa na siasa kile kitu kwa siasa. Lazima peke siasa. Kile kitu kwa siasa. Kama kuna yuwa bando ama ete to kuwa na Mungu kwa kuna tu mono Mungu kwa na mtu 2022 lakini kila pastor kuna ndiga hata ile Yesu mmoja itoma itiza lakini kwa nani ona chote tutuma ni na August wakati kali kima ni tendri ukiona atereti kwa lazima ni kwa ile kama itemambi kila siku ndio sio kwa kwa ikiangalia tu ama ngana ya siasa ako ku BBI abantu babita sama sikali ya manene mwezi mwikarasta bana baraka Ligiti yasa eskuru ko igorwere January omwari mwa kusaba school fees umwana uko Goku urore para BBI ese January kego ika BBI ndero ko kwaka school fees January kego ika umwana ko sokare ko nata kete ko kaenda sere ko Nairobi go chiyo ko bolu fair aikura yora BBI igoro usote BBI se lakini renga no mato ko mwa ama chika yako sibwa kenye yaito aneta de momanye ama chika yako kenye yaito tari ko chiko ko musibore oseketanda ogendo chiko kitibesa ngote neke tari ko chiko tene monto de ko osoro ya ga mono elements in the BBI brave ya mono, and there are some elements in that document that here. When we speak about them, support, we simply want a consensus. Let me tell you, for example, 76 out of the 76 of the members of parliament, out of those 76, 43 seats one region the Central Kenya. Now, the constituency in other words, when the constituency resources come back to Mwananchi, only CDF get kobekwa in a constituency na jaribu alimasawa ya abagiwe moyo kwa kusiegima ba jaribu aliyesema ya baba kumene kitutu masawa sorry kitutu masawa kwa chakona chilesa esa idea no na moino another part enyo rechibesa igori resources chachile back to Mwananchi. Other 6 tunaona kisi county toyo kianda we are nominated seats njogo chuko bogirango campaign ngire chikura omonto omungao na endo mungao achano muletwe to baba bunge babere oyo omoto olide oyo no bekira. But that is not the catch. The catch name Mwananchi to people. Ekerebe will be 43 bikogenda in one region. There's 43 seats that are going to one region, and that is Central Kenya. What ideally that one means is that more so Bungaria, president. The president is going to nominate the prime minister. A majority of the seats in parliament. A majority of the seats in parliament. Now 43 out of 70. Nechi constituency in one Central Kenya. Ata, neamo kuna watema ngebange mukwa ni munua ya mukwa bisi. 43 chachilo. Ebroge ibyo si binde byo wake chikula na ubi achilo orora biagesi we binge. Then that one ideally means oneka yora pige monto o montacho o prime minister in one region o yonacho o deputy prime minister in one region o yonacho we aye wakati mkobi. Then they say about 5% World Development Fund. Now I want you to go back and read. Go back and read very well. 5%. The very BBI is silent on your own as an MCA. It is still going to be managed by the very county governors. Now I end up from 15% to 35%. We also need to ask ourselves, into our already 15%. I you can stay right anybody. Any day we can say what you know, right? Now that is so good. As I'm scanning, I only 15% here at the Kisi County. Can I only the one that I say now? We are around the key. I cannot go at 35%. 15%. Who care? Who are one? Who you wait to say I go? In Kia holiday. Why you want to get to answer? Okay. You need to ask yourself those questions. I cannot go to maswali ya yosi. Wewe uone kero igoro. Nzimuna ngetekio kango support, ngetekio mheshimiwa Alfateva, aba minister, ogende kero, obo oliye kero kyo mjumbe, oende omaba so parliament, ochoro minister. Ikiani mandelo kwanga ncherete, mheshimiwa bila wako yale na odi na abo minister mchimoto hadi. That is the way people do. So, ebanke akero wa so me ncherete. Ekyo mwani abantu bambi twagusa. Let's not support abantu just because unabona mungona gete usonde gete kwani aba gusia babunge baito bosi. We need to sit together torengera lito kwale one voice na ndo tutige ngamo tutige moko na ndo tutige bitina egera tu iwane tunasibi biya mona sana tega sawa sele. Thank you very much.